Model, 67-plate Vauxhall Vivaro Le Nav top spec Cdti Bt S, S Euro 6 noisy engine No Vat. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 248,919. MOT, the 26th of October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking, the engine will need repairing or replacing, definitely worth doing, nice genuine top spec one owner, Vivaro grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after.